everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and today I have Mr. Chomper with us as we are going to open another one of his bark boxes that he so loves. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. If anybody's ordered from BarkBox recently or used Chomper's subscription code, thank you so much. We're trying to earn him a free box with referrals, so the link will be down below. This is not sponsored. This is just us and our opinion of it. We would love to be sponsored, hint, hint, and there's a bulldog who would love to work for treats and toys. So with that being said, let's take a look at this month's theme. All I did was open it, and here he is. He's came to see what it is. Let's take a look. Can I see this? Oh, Bark Guide, must squeak TV, like must see TV. It looks like a little program guide. Oh, that's cute. Every month they have a different theme, and I just think their themes are so cute. Excuse me, sir. And he's gone. Bye. As you can see, he likes his bark box. He goes straight for the toys usually. Can I see this? Can I get the tag off? Here, let me get the tag off. Look, Chomper. Hold on. I don't want you to... Okay. Oh, so we have a stuffy with a squeaker and crinkle noise inside. It's Caddy Van de Claw. I don't know who that's supposed to be. She's sporting a booming ball squeaker, a fluffy crinkle coat, and the best new eyelids a house can purchase. Like the person I think of is like Joan Rivers, but maybe that's supposed to be somebody else. I don't know who. And then the insert for this month. Excuse me. Can I look at this? So it looks like, you know, a TV guide, right? So my slow crawled life instead of my so-called life, law and utter. Don't eat the paper. What's it say? Kitchen trash cook-off. The Bachelor lemur. So different things for different Grey's Anatomy instead of Grey's Anatomy. And the Real House, what does it say? The Real House Pets. So that's cute. Just like famous hit TV shows. Excuse me. Can you come over here? Here. Come over here and show everybody. Come over here. Come over here. Okay. I'm just trying to see what's in it. Oh my gosh. It's a purse. Well-heeled handbag. Even though it's a purse, he doesn't care. As you can see. Chomper, please let me cut this off. Sir. Sir. Oh, and it, look. Instead of Uber, it's Pooper. And this has a squeaker. Excuse me. And crinkle material. And then when you open it up, okay, can we show everybody? Okay, guess not. All right. Moving on. Ooh, this is a big bag of treats this time. These are crunchy apple slices. Look at that. They look like dehydrated apples that you would buy from the grocery store. Oh, now you're back. Can I look at this now? So, it's got a little bag, a little handle like a handbag. Excuse me. Okay, and then you open it up, and then I don't know if I can really show it, but it looks like there's like keys and brass knuckles on it and perfume and cute stuff. There's lots of details that... No, this is mine. Excuse me. Okay, fine. And then let's see what else we've got. We've got Thinker's Duck recipe. So it's like a bone, like a jerky. We've got 2 of the duck recipes. We've got a chicken recipe, like a jerky. And then the other bag of treats we got are Click Click Chickie Tenders, chicken recipe dog treats. Chomper loves chicken, so we'll have to check these out. Is this what you want? You want the little purse? Are you a girly man? Oh, okay. All right. So like I said, these look like something you would get from the grocery store. And of course, being the dog mom I am, I'm going to try them. Yeah. They taste just like the dehydrated dog, like, not dog, but apple slices I get at the grocery store. Would you like to try these? These are good. Oh my gosh, these taste just like the grocery store. Like, I don't know any difference. Huh. You want to try this? Can you sit? It's an apple. I know, it's healthy. We don't always like healthy, do we? What about these? Chicken nuggets! Chicken nuggets? Okay, Mama's got a taste test. Get a taste test for the king. I much prefer the apple slices. Actually, I think I'll get seconds of the apple slices. It tastes like chicken. Almost like it's got ketchup in it. Okay. You want to try the jerky stick? You are very calm all of a sudden. My lipstick might be smeared from trying the treats. I don't know. Hold on. This is what Mama keeps scissors for. Now, in case you're wondering, Chomper is going to be an 11-year-old bulldog. And you know what? You would think he's a pup sometimes the way he acts. Oh. Oh my gosh, if you could see the drool that is coming down on his tie and the ottoman. Look at that drool. No, what are you doing? Why? Every time we do this, is there a failure? Okay, sit. You want this? Actually, that's pretty good. It's like crispy and then soft. So I'm sure he's loving this. All right, let's try this duck recipe now. Yeah, it's like, I don't mind duck either. Yeah, it's like a crispy shell and soft on the inside. Come here. Would you like this? Can you give a high five? Oh, good high five. He gives high fives and paws only for treats. Otherwise, he doesn't know. It's like you're speaking foreign language. Like I said, I'm gonna go in for seconds of these. Oh, this is good. You guys might think I'm crazy, but I don't care. Do you want some more apples? Him like apples. How about paw? Oh, good paw, sir. Oh, look at that drool. All right, let me take a look at this since I can get it away from him. So it's like she's this chubby kitty cat, which is cute. Okay, the tail does not have any stuffing, which is good. That way he can't destroy it. She has crinkle material in her legs and in her head. There's no squeak in the head, but then you've got a ball that squeaks for the belly on the inside. So this is what the little kitty cat looks like. What are you doing? Can I help you? Excuse me. Excuse me. What? Okay. He got the treat out of the packaging. So everybody, high five. All right. We might as well just finish this off and give it to him. Can you lay down? Can you lay down? Oh, good job. Such a dapper man. With your tie? Yeah. Okay. What do you think of your BarkBox? Is it delicious? What, you want some more? You want the rest of the cheeky? Alright, he's just gonna get all this because he's already opened them basically and got them out of the packaging himself. There you go. We have one more duck jerky left, so we'll just save that later for him as a treat. And then, again, he's got his dehydrated apples that are delicious. The chicken nuggets. We've got this month's theme of the Bark Guide. And I don't know where the other toy went. I think he's laying on it. But every month, we're very happy to get his BarkBox. You know, he just loves all the toys that he gets. Let us know in the comments below if you get BarkBox for your fur baby. Oh, I know this is so cute. And if you need to order BarkBox, be sure to use Chomper's code in the description box below. And if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe while you're here. And if you're not following Wonderland Boutique on Facebook and Instagram, please be sure to do that today. So, what? Are you excited? So thank you so much for joining us here today. It's Denise and Chomper from Wonderland Boutique, and hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.